Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamiso Miranda, and this channel is all things personal growth and lifestyle design. Stay tuned for some tips, tricks, hacks, and tools on becoming the best you. In this video, I'm going to run you through my favorite productivity apps that will help you get more done every hour of the working day. For me, productivity tools come in many different forms, and they often take a different approach in improving your workflow. The first app that I have is Google Chrome. I absolutely love Google Chrome because it syncs all my information so seamlessly, and it syncs across a wide variety of devices. It syncs my bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings across all my devices, and it keeps me logged in to my Gmail, my YouTube, and all the other Google services. My absolutely favorite extension within Google Chrome is this one right here. This is called Tab Resize Split Screen Layouts. So if I click on that, it will give me different options on how I would like to split my screen. I love this one. This is my go-to. So now this allows me to have two separate tabs running. I can watch a YouTube video here, and I can do something else on this side. And how I like to work, if I am maybe taking an online course or something, I will be watching the video on this side, and on this side I will pop up my Keep. So Google Keep comes to the rescue, and as I'm watching the video, I can be here taking notes. I can just be taking my notes as the video goes along, and I find that this keeps me so productive, as I do not have to switch between tabs. I absolutely love this feature, and I recommend it to everyone who is looking to increase their productivity. The next productivity app that I absolutely love is Google Drive. So Google Drive is an online cloud storage that you can save everything to: photos, documents, anything you like. You can upload it to Google Drive, and you can share links out to people. They can go there and view things, and if you give them permission to, they can edit things all within Google Drive. I have an extension right here that any page that I'm on, let's go to, okay, let's just Google me. Okay, let's go there. And let's say I want to save something here. I can just press this button, and it will save directly to my Google Drive. And just like that, that's on my drive, and I can close this tab. So if I go down to the dock here and press this icon, it's right here. What we have just saved has already been uploaded to my Google Drive. Doc.new, and this will take me into a brand new Google Docs document. It's automatically being saved into my drive, and I have access everywhere. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. And you can see right here, it's saved to Google Drive. This tick shows you that it's already been saved onto the drive. The third productivity app that I absolutely use and love is Gmail. Everybody needs an email account, and Gmail is one of the biggest, is one of the best, and I absolutely love it. I can do so much in here. What I love inside Gmail, I have found a system where I can combine my Google Calendar, my Google Keep, and I can also add other external apps and productivity systems. So if you look right here, you'll see that I have linked my calendar to my emails. So if we open up my Google Calendar, this is what it looks like for the day. There's nothing going on. Like if I had things going on, that's how easy it would be for me to hop over here and have a look at what my day will be looking like. And the same thing, I have my Google Keep right there. So that will just open up Keep. So if I wanted to take a note, I can just type hello, and that's going to sync across all my devices, and I can see that anywhere. So if you haven't guessed already, I absolutely love Google Keep, and it's my 4th productivity app today. This is what Google Keep looks like. I have the dark mode on because it's best for my eyes. I don't like the other bright mode. So that's a good option that you have. You can change it. And you can go over here, you can disable dark theme, and it will brighten up your day and look like this. But this is just not my cup of tea. It's too much. I prefer the dark theme. So inside here, you have a note, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. It is free. So inside here, you can set a reminder. So maybe later today at 8 o'clock, set a reminder for something. I can add collaborators. I can put somebody's email in here, send it out, and they can get involved and edit and see what I'm doing. Obviously, you can make it pretty, change the colors. I can input pictures, and you can archive things. There's so many things that you can do. We can do tick boxes, and we can copy something from here straight back into Google Docs, which is why I love the whole Google system, as it's so interlinked, as it's copy to Docs, open doc here, and you see that message has arrived here, and here we have a tick, which means it's already been saved into Google Drive. I absolutely love Keep, and it's a fantastic app that you can access everywhere as it syncs on your mobile. You have everything there, the way you like it, how you left it. It's absolutely fantastic. My last app goes without saying, it has to be the Google Calendar. Again, as I've already previously mentioned, I just love the interconnectedness and the way that everything syncs so smoothly, and it just helps to keep you in one space. I don't have to worry about lots of different things or switching in between tasks, because everything will just be there for you. And inside the calendar, what I like to do, I like to time block. So for example, let's say between 5 to 7, I would like to do something. So we'll just say morning routine for the sake of this video. And yeah, we have the option to add guests if I want to wake up anybody else, set the time, we can set a reminder, add a location. Maybe you're going for a run with someone, you're going for a coffee, anything like that, just pop it in there and it's already blocked out on your calendar. Maybe you have a meeting going on at 10, pop that in there, put meeting. Again, you sort out your times, your reminder. If anybody's the person you're going to meet, add a guest, add a location so that a map will be sent to them if they don't know where they're going. Again, pop that in there, and maybe by 3 o'clock you need to pick up your kids from school. Pop it in there, school run, and you are sorted. And that's just how I like to sort all this out. And you can also change all these colors. So morning routine, let's just make that red. School run. Okay, what color can school run be? We can make that one green. The meeting, the meeting can be blue. So you can really have fun with it. Personalize it. I like to make things look good and pretty, and it just helps to keep me interested and focused. And it also lets you know that anytime you see the color red, it's something to do with your morning routine. If it's the color blue, then you have some meetings that are scheduled. And if it's green, you have a school run or whatever that you have chosen to associate with it. So those are my top 5 productivity apps that I swear by. They help to get me in my flow state and to stay in my flow state, and they really minimize distraction and procrastination. They really just allow me to get the work done that I need to get done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below. Let me know if you're also using any of these apps. Hit the subscribe button if you want more videos like this that will help you on your journey to becoming the best you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one as we continue our journey towards a more wholesome, healthier, and more